Now why are you laughing? What cracked
so
you up?
Funny, you know.
No, I was just being truthful.
Oh,
really?
Really?
Yeah.
You're very funny.
Where is she?
Did you hear that?
No, just hold on. Just hold on. Okay.
Where is she?
Don't panic. Hold on. Calm this.
That's your mom's voice.
Yeah, just hold on.
I told you.
Mom.
You again? You again? What did I tell you the last time, you useless and shameless woman? Oh, she's mute. Why are you keeping quiet? Are you not going to say anything? Was it not for the same act that I fell out with you the other time? I told you. I warned you strictly. Leave my son alone. Stay away from him. Stay miles away from my son so that he can reason. So that he can think straight.
Mom, that's okay, Mom. Please.
Shut up.
No, please don't tell me to shut up, Mom. Your unwarranted intrusion into my life is uncalled for. This is unwarranted. You just barged into my room. You're embarrassing my guest. I don't like it.
Son, give me your reasons for refusing to marry Onyinye, a woman I chose for you, a woman of elegance, a lady of great poise, a paragon of beauty, a woman whose beauty has enslaved a lot of noble men. What are you looking for in the poison in between these shameless widow's ties? Get out of my house. If you don't get out right now, I'll get you arrested.
Mom, she goes nowhere. She's here for me.
Classless idiot.
Please, I know. I understand. Please calm down, please.
This has to stop.
I know. Okay.
Honestly, your mother's arrogance enraged me.
And thanks for not responding and just, being able to hold yourself together. I appreciate it. That's why, Mother, I'm going to talk with her. She will get used to you, I promise you. Okay?
Please, just get me out of here. Please, just get me...
Sweetheart, calm down. Come on. We're not fighting now, are we?
So you should always consider eventualities. By that, I mean, always think about the aftermath of your actions.
What actions, Mom? What is wrong with Chiamaka? I like her. Oh yes, she's the one for me. The woman that you embarrassed out of this castle, she's the one that I have chosen, Mom.
Never. Son, I keep wondering why a man in your caliber should be caught in such a demeaning action.
What confuses you, Mother, is that you forget that I am now a man. And I know what I want. I know what's best for me. And Chiamaka is the one that I want.
Son, all I want is for you to see reasons with me. But no, you will always bluff in defiance. Marry Onyinye.
What?
Marry Onyinye?
Never. Never.
What did you just say?
You heard me loud and clear. I will not do it.
Fine. Son, you getting married is uppermost in my mind.
And you trying to get involved in this creeps me out, Mother. You wanting to help makes me feel uptight. I have an up-to-date account of how you connive with these women to come here and lure me Mother, it is rigidly unconventional for you to want to have your son's pants down by some strange women, all because you want me to get married to your kind of woman. It is not right, Mother. It is not right. Your dealings with all these women, I know. I am very much informed of it. Stop it, please.
Fabio, why do you have this upside way of doing things? Dealing with priorities last.
You know what, Mother? I think that we have overflogged this issue for one day. I need to cut somewhere. Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Tim, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. But sir, I don't understand what is going on, and that makes me uncomfortable in this house. I don't know how to say it, but your mom will be angry with me if she finds out that you're doing those things that she assigned me to be doing.
Let me address this for the last time. I am not used to being served. So if you see me do things around here, it is because I enjoy it. If I wash my car, it is because I enjoy it. It's my car. We have other cars here. You have my mother's car. You can wash those. You know, it keeps you busy. Whatever it is that I am doing in the house, it's just a little section of the house. It's a very big house, you know, so definitely you would have something to do.
Yeah. Yes, sir, but the truth is that I don't understand what you're saying. Your mom will fire me if she finds out that I'm still doing those things.
Okay, Timothy.
Sir.
I'd like to be alone. Please, thank you.
Sir. Sir.
Onyinyechi, what have you done again? For the up-10 time, girlfriend, you just rejected another suitor.
I know.
Onyinyechi, why are you doing this thing to yourself for a man who doesn't even know you exist? Someone who doesn't even know about the emotional trauma you go through every day. All because of him.
I'm sorry, Bella. I love Fabio. It's a pity that he's yet to reciprocate the love.
You know, if a soothsayer had told me that you would do same to Nzube, I wouldn't have believed it. I mean, why Nzube, for crying out loud? Why? Do you know what you have done to these innocent men? Do you know the emotional blackmail they go through because of you? To an extent, Inye, they have suffered in your hands.
Bella, like I said before, I love Fabio, and I'm ready to wait as long as it takes.
Wait. Are you sure you're okay? Are you sure Professor Elizabeth Okon has not bewitched you into waiting endlessly for her gay son?
Please stop, Bella. Stop it. Please. Nobody bewitched anybody here.
Then why wait for a man who doesn't even know about you? Someone who has caged himself in a place where he calls castle. All he does in his sabbatical leave is go out into town, taking shots of birds flying in the sky, trees, animal, people going about their businesses. Onyinyechi, wake up. You're not getting any younger. Oh. My learned colleague has gone wacky. Honey, what is wrong with you? Talk to me.
Papa. Mama. Please help me talk to Onyinye. Please.
Chai, what kind of thing is this?
Papa, the whole essence of my life revolves around her. Please talk to her.
Nai, there's something definitely wrong with our daughter. She can't keep driving away suitors like this. It's wrong. Hi.
I'm afraid I am beginning to contemplate suicide.
Nah, my son, it has not gotten to that place.
God forbid.
No. Just so I can just put an end to all this and just let it be.
It has not gotten to that place.
But Papa, why will Onyinye leave me to lick my wounds alone? Why?
No. Please, you have to call our daughter immediately and speak some sense into her. Please call her.
My son, please be a man. Relax. It shall be all right. Huh?
I love Onyinye.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
And she's the one I want.
Yes.
Okay. I will call and talk to her. Yes.
Please do, Papa.
I will definitely do.
Please.
I will definitely call her.
Honestly, Mother, I don't think I'm doing the right thing.
My daughter, I don't know what else to do. I have tried to talk to Fabio, but I do not know.
I'm sorry, Mother, but I cannot continue like this. He has not shown any sign of seriousness. I can't. Listen, Nzube is my childhood friend. He loves me. He came back from the United Kingdom because of me.
But my child, there's no way you will marry another man and leave my son. Please.
Mother, if I were your daughter, would you advise me to wait for a man who is not ready to make me his wife?
Oh, Fabio.
Nzube will kill himself if I don't marry him. I mean, I have made countless men go through a lot. I wouldn't want anything to happen to Nzube.
Nini, please. Please, my daughter.
No, Mother, I have to go. Oh, take care of yourself. Excuse me.
What have you done to me?
What is it? Mom, what is wrong with you?
You are wrong with me.
What have I done now? Mom, did I do something? Mom.
Don't touch me!
Please. I don't want you to think that I am being rude, because I'm not. But your visit is quite unexpected.
What do you mean by unexpected? Zube, it's me. Onyenyechi Nzeribe, the love of your life. You had wanted me all your life. You said you came back for me. Zube, you actually proposed to me, you remember?
Yes, I did. But you also rejected me. Not once, not twice. You rejected me. You told me there was a man in your life already. Oye, you don't know how the sound of that kept ringing in the ears of a man who was ready to love the woman with all his heart and was ready to go the extra mile for her.
But I'm ready. Hey, baby. I'm ready. Oh, wow.
Hi. Such an elegant lady. Who is she?
Laura, please, just take the car keys. Wait for me at the car. I will join you shortly. Please.
Zube, my love. You know we are supposed to go to the bridal shop for our shopping in preparation for our wedding. Do you think this is the best time to entertain random visitors?
Laura, the lady standing here is not a random visitor. Like you just said. I beg you, please, go into the car and wait for me. Few minutes, I'll be done. Please.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
Really? Zube, really? Do you even know the meaning of love? Do you? It's barely 1 month that we had a misunderstanding and boom, you've moved on. You've moved on already.
Why are you sounding as if I am the bad person here? Because I am definitely not. Shall I keep reminding you how many times you've rejected me? Do you know how many times I stayed up late at night, weeping? Do you know the trauma your rejection cost me? Do you even have an idea that it got to a point I was ready to die? I drove in my own car, went to a bar with the sole intention of getting drunk, so I can just get into my car and then drive myself to death.
What?
Babe, this is what I tell you so. It's my game on you. If you meet this man, you go cash out. I tell you. Send a play. Lauren. Lauren. I'm person there. I'm almost a person. Lauren. How fun now? So why they take that man out? You don't say we dey here on important mission. What's so?
Babe, you know how I roll. I am not committed to any Ron's appointments. I can change anytime, anywhere. You understand? I should be like this soon.
That man is very drunk. He's very drunk now.
And I can add to you that he is troubled.
How did you know?
It's something everybody knows. We know this. Men use alcohol to suppress their frustration and sorrow. But they fail to realize that when the alcohol clears, the trouble remains.
get sense for this matter like this. So what you want to do now? Yes, I trust you. Okay, you want to go run now? My babe. Lauren the Lauren. Move it. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't hide me. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Are you okay? Excuse me.
I will be okay when you bring something stronger. Something strong.
You mean you need something strong in the States?
I want to... Where are my car keys? Where are my car keys?
Sorry, sir. You mean you want to drive like this?
I don't know what planets were mandated for. But please, get the hell out of here. Get out. Yeah, get out. I need to be... I need to be home.
Oh, it's okay.
I have stamina.
I know, it's okay. Are you okay? It's fine. Let's go.
This one was scotch.
No, you can leave that, okay?
I paid for it.
I know. It's fine.
I paid for it.
Oh. Easy. Take it easy, okay? Calm down. Don't worry. You'll be fine by tomorrow, whatever it is, okay? Easy. Oh. Calm down. Okay. You're awake. Good morning.
Who are you and what am I doing here?
My name is Lauren.
Where is this place? What am I doing here?
Okay, you asked plenty questions. Well, I saved you yesterday. I met you at the bar, but you got yourself drunk to stupor and almost got yourself killed.
In that case, it is not an abduction then.
No.
Well, you should have allowed me die there.
Wow. First of all, whatever it is you're going through is not what's taking your life.
You will not understand. I mean, she just,
Okay. So, it's actually because of a woman you almost got yourself killed.
Well, I am better off dead. I mean, what was the need?
You're a man. And you have to be strong.
Please, where's my shirt?
Oh, it's in there.
And my wallet, I had some money in it.
Your money is in your wallet. Your wallet is over there.
Thank you for everything. Thank you.
So, I will go fix you something to eat.
It's okay.
Meanwhile, what's your name?
Zubechuku. Although my friends call me Nzube.
Okay, Nzube. All right, I'll be with you in a jiffy. Let me get you something. Just relax.
Thank you.
Hey. There you go. I had to wash it because it got wasted last night.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? Am I complaining?
I
Go ahead.
stressed you.
No. Go ahead, wear your clothes.
Thank you. Sorry. I think I have. Please, just take this.
What's that for? I did not do what I did to get paid.
No, this is not payment. It's just for the stress. I mean, please have it.
Thank you. No, I don't want.
And I insist.
And I said no.
Okay. In that case, I will just hurriedly dress up then.
Alright.
But I am really sorry for yesterday. You had to go through a lot to put in this cloth together. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, I must say thank you for everything.
You don't have to be thanking me.
Anyway, your kind gesture will not be forgotten.
Well, it's okay. Do take care of yourself.
Of course I will. Goodbye, Lorraine.
Goodbye.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't know.
Laurel saved my life. She saved me from committing suicide. She was just dead that night. And she's the reason I'm still alive today. That's it.
I'm sorry. Zube, I am so sorry. I never knew you went through all that. I'm sorry, please.
It's fine now. There is always going to be a man for you. After everything, I realized that my heart belongs to Laurel. Not you, as I thought. There's a man for you.
And something tells me that you think I am a fool and do not understand what is going on.
Laurel, I am trying everything humanly possible here to make sure that this relationship works. Why can't you give peace a chance? Why?
Please, do not try to turn the tables around because you do not know what peace means. You stood with a lady over 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes, and you come here telling me that you two have nothing going?
And that is the truth.
Oh, wow.
That's not just any lady, it's Onyinye, my childhood friend, and you know it. It's not like it's new news to you.
She might be your child friend, but the dynamics has changed. And it is so glaring that you two have something going. So start talking.
Wait. Did you just say dynamics? And what dynamics are you talking about here? Huh?
Nzube, you are still saying that lady. Or can you stand before anything sacred to swear that you two have nothing in common? Go ahead, tell me. Can you?
You see, the fact that I am still seeing that lady is already a glorified fallacy. The original truth is that I have never even dated her. We've never had anything relating to relationship.
You've never dated her and you gave her such attention. You gave her the kind of attention you did out there.
Laurel, I am not dating Onyinye. What is it? We are not in any kind of relationship.
Really? You know what, Nzube? This will not work. I mean, I cannot stand my man being so close to another woman, and yet he has the nerves to defend the woman. Who does that? Who?
Is this who you are?
Oh, please, do not play that sentiment card. I hate it. Hey, what are you planning to do? What are you planning to do? Your woman, your wife-to-be, raise a serious concern and you feel you can live without giving her the explanation that she seeks. Oh, wow, really?
Laura, why have you decided to just completely become impossible? Huh? I have been explaining the same thing to you for more than an hour now. You've chosen not to see things in my way, right? You've chosen not to understand. So I'm leaving. To give you more time to ponder on my explanations.
And I will not ponder on lies. I will not. So the earlier you got talking, the better for us. I need the truth.
And that is the truth. All the things I've been saying are the truth. I have told you the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So the right course of action is for me to leave. I am sure you will understand better when I'm gone. Please.
Okay. I will put this very mildly and calm. My dearest Nzube, you are not going anywhere without telling me the truth. You will not. And what are you thinking of? An escape route? You're thinking of how you run? Well, listen to me and listen good. You're not going anywhere without me today. You are not leaving. I am going with you. I'll be your shadow. I will flaunt everywhere around you today. Do you really want to see the other side of me? Why the hell are you keeping me quiet? Why?
Laurie, I will not have you unleash your malicious vibe on me. I won't.
Is this some kind of prank to avoid the question?
You know, it's very obvious to me now that you obviously lack good parental upbringing. You do.
Wow. So this is it. This is it. A minute ago you told me that you were going to give me all the explanations I needed to know. Now we are here. Come on, tell me. Tell me all I need to hear now.
Let me ask you this question. Who is the man in this relationship?
Oh, please. Come off it.
I obviously am. Yes. And so I demand some level of respect from you.
Okay. So because you're the man in this relationship, you are entitled to cheat on your soon-to-be wife.
I am not cheating.
Really? So then, go ahead. Clear the unvoiced suspicion. I need to know exactly what I need to know. Tell me, who is Barrister Onyinye to you? Go ahead.
She's just a friend, and I am not cheating on you.
Liar. You're just a liar.
So, by calling me a liar, if I said that we actually are lovers, will that be the truth in your own eyes? And what if we are? Are you going to beat me? No, will you flog me?
Wow. Nzube, so this is it. This is it. Really?
I will give you this explanation not because you deserve it,
Okay.
but because courtesy demands it.
Go ahead.
I and Onyinye have been friends from childhood days. In fact, she's almost like a sister to me. And I have proposed marriage to her. But for whatever reason known to her, she declined my proposal. Are you okay now?
Oh, Nzube. My dearest Nzube. Look at me. Look at me from head to toe. Do I look like a baby? No, take a look. Do I look like a child to you? She's a childhood friend. She refused your proposal. So what the hell is she looking for around you? Tell me, what is she doing around you? Oh, she's coming back so you guys, you reunite again. Is that it? Really?
Like I said, you don't deserve the explanation.
Doris, I am finished.
Can you
Finished.
Can you explain it to me? Why is a grown woman crying like a child? What is it?
Zube is getting married.
You're joking, right?
I am not joking. I went to his house to tell him that I'm now ready to settle down with him. Instead, I met him with his fiancée. They were actually on their way to a bridal shop to shop for their wedding items.
But I've been saying this. Babes, I kept saying this.
Doris, I want my Nzube back. I want him back. I want him back. I want him back.
But you can't have him back. It's way too late. You went overboard. You had such a good opportunity. You muffed it. I think that woman has used you enough. Yes, that so-called Professor Elizabeth or whatever her name is. She has done more harm than good to you. She kept deceiving you. Telling you her son will come, he will marry you. And for that singular reason, you rejected every other suitor. The heartbreaking part is you rejected Nzube's proposal. Did you forget? You forgot all your memories with him. You masterminded Nzube's success. Like it was all your doings. You forgot. And now you finish building and another woman is about to settle in there.
Is it true Nzube is getting married to a woman he just met? No. You know, Doris was trying to let me know what happened. Like, Nzube is getting married to a woman he just met.
Their wedding comes up in 2 weeks' time.
Oh my God. I am not getting this. Like, how? How? The Nzube that we know getting married to a woman he just met just like that. You know, I never stopped fantasizing about you and Nzube becoming husband and wife. And all of a sudden, he's getting married to someone he just met, another woman. No, this is not good.
Like, is it possible to have him back? Is it possible to have Nzube back?
Babes, you know, it's not possible. It's mission impossible. Unless you want to go into extramarital affairs. Besides, how did he even resort to getting married to another woman? Just like that.
He said the lady saved him the day he wanted to commit suicide.
Suicide? Like he was contemplating on suicide?
Yes. After I rejected his proposal, he drank himself to stupor and he actually wanted to drive himself to death.
Oh. But, Onyinye, you blew this up. You messed up. We were actually telling you about this. Oh. This is not good. This is not good.
You mean I can't have him back? I've lost Nzube. I've lost him. That's like just like that.
Babes. You know this is mission impossible. Nzube is gone for good. Unless you want to go into extramarital affairs.
Hey, God.
Onyi, calm down, please.
Babe, can we go into the bedroom?
Get your hands off me. What's that? I say take your hands off me. Listen, you are not going to touch this body or feel any part of my body anytime soon until you tell me the truth. Are you hearing me?
What truth are you talking about here? The same truth I have repeatedly told you? What?
You're a two-time liar. So you think I do not know you are having an affair with Onyinye? Oh, really? Really?
Oh. That again. Laurel, at this point, I will not have any argument with you regarding Onyinye anymore. So you know what? Whatever is in your head, just believe it. Stick with it, because I have no explanation to give you anymore. If you like, you go and sleep. If you like, you remain here.
I am not surprised. It is in men's DNA to cheat. Cheats, bloody liar.
Good afternoon, Ma.
I learned you're here to see my son.
Yes, Mama.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Why have you come to see him?
Sorry?
What is sorry? You don't have a reason for coming here? Oh. So you're here to sleep with my son, right? Indeed, you're a very shameless woman. That your husband is late is not enough reason for you to be going around looking for men to frolic with. I ask you, why my son? Why do you want to send him to an early grave? Why Fabio? Now do me a favor. Get my son off your hook if you know what is good for you. How dare you want to walk out on me? Sit down then. How much do you want me to give you to leave my son alone? I want you to name your price.
You think this is about money, right?